Namaste, friends. Let's talk about the combinations which can give a good looking, attractive, and a beautiful spouse as per astrology. Now we know that Venus is the planet of beauty and attractiveness. Without Venus, beauty cannot be there. Other planets can give beauty, but Venus is the one planet that can give the attractive feature. Like many people get attracted to this person on instant. So let's see what combinations can give you a beautiful spouse as per astrology, and it can apply to both gender, but in uh, general this can be applicable to men, but you can also apply to female horoscopes. First combination is Venus in the seventh house in benefic signs. See, Venus in the seventh house means your partner would be very good looking and fair complexioned, and here it in signs like Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, or Sagittarius, Pisces. In these signs, Virgo. In these signs, it can be very good. In malefic signs also, it can be good, but it is preferred that the seventh house is benefic sign. And then Venus with Mercury in the seventh house. This combination can give you a very good looking spouse and who is also very charming and very energetic type spouse. Venus with Mercury in the seventh is a very good combination. Next is Venus must be conjunct the seventh lord. So let's say your seventh house lord is Jupiter. When it is conjunct Venus, it will give you a good looking spouse. Or Venus must be conjunct your fifth lord, because fifth lord is also representing beauty. Or when Venus itself is in fifth house, chances are that your wife can be very good looking and beautiful, because fifth house is the house of beauty in astrology, and fifth house is the house of natural beauty in astrology. There are various types of beauty, and this one is giving you natural characteristics. Next one is Venus must be conjunct Jupiter. In this combination, it gives a wife who is very traditional beauty and has not like glamour type beauty, but very looking traditional beauty. Here, a wife would be very good looking in saris and such stuff. And next combination is the fifth house lord in the seventh house. When the fifth house lord is in the seventh house, it can also indicate your partner would be beautiful. And next combination is Venus in Taurus or Libra or sometimes Pisces. When Venus is in its own sign, there are chances that the partner will have strong Venus characteristics. Next one is Venus in Leo. Venus in Leo would give a very stylish wife, but not the very beautiful wife, but still Leo would give good noticeable looks for the spouse, and wife would be very famous in her own circle. Wife would be noticeable to everyone when Venus is in Leo. Now, we also got another combination. When Venus is with Rahu, spouse would be very glamorous type beauty, because Rahu is the sign of glamour. And when this combination is with is in Venus sign itself, like Taurus or Libra or Pisces, it gives a very extremely magnetic and very mesmerizing spouse. And wife would be having very capacity to attract everyone, and wife here would be very romantic person. And last combination is moon must be in Taurus in the 7th house. When moon is in Taurus in the 7th house, it can give you a very good looking spouse. And usually Scorpio ascendants get a wife who has a pretty good face, because Taurus is a sign of face, and Scorpio ascendants usually get good looking wife. So these are some 10 combinations I have seen in charts that works, and there are many combinations that can give beauty, but these are some traditional ones. Thank you.